We are the problem solvers. We are the scientists, the planners, the technical specialists, and the creative thinkers.
Our 100% employee-owned firm offers a range of environmental compliance services combined with local knowledge, regulatory expertise, and high-quality service.
We work together to understand the full life cycle of any project,
from inception to completion,
and apply sound science and creative solutions every step of the way.
We're committed to preserving our natural and cultural resources, giving back to our communities we work, play, and live in, and prioritizing safety both in the field and the office.
With a nationwide presence that has been growing since 1981, we remain one.
We are SWCA.
We are SWCA.
We are SWCA.
We are SWCA.